Hey, long overdue. I'd like to go over how to reset these sensors. So what we have is the GM sensor. What they did, the splines in the center had the dents in them, lines up at the arrow. Had to manually move that. Bang, put it on with your wheel center, of course, and that's how you centered everything up. On these, it'll be simply, let's say you're out of whack. You go like this, your wheels are crooked, whatever, or the first time you're doing it, you put the magnet up in there and you got to center it. Well, when you get it for the first time, it'll be done. This is production too, but let's take care of betas right now. You put this in the center, put this magnet that's on the spline in this guy here. Some are in the mail and some left today, but the rest of the splines are leaving. Those were tough to manufacture consistently. We spin this guy 3-4 turns, 700 degrees. Okay. We just reset the sensor. The next time it gets power, it's gonna be looking for that magnet. So what we do, we disconnect it from the truck. Of course, we either had it on the truck or the ignition on. You can hook it up to your laptop, phone charger, just nothing more than 5 volts. And anything more than 5 volts is trouble. Don't worry about the technical side unless you only want to. The instructions are the easy part. Put it back on. Put it on the vehicle. Key the ignition on. Go through that cycle. I'm going to do it faster than we should. Maybe I'll luck out. I can keep it under 25 megabytes. I don't have to edit it. Okay, so there we go. We got both lines right at center. We know when the vehicle goes down the road, what happens after that. So they do their thing, and it always knows. Now the sensor's calibrated. It's done. Okay. For the betas that have the larger circle or that don't have that spline hub yet, just take a magnet, put it on the end of a bolt like that. Take a piece of cardboard or something, cut a hole in it. It's got to stay right in the center because it'll go everywhere. And just rotate it like that, and then it'll reset it. Either way, it doesn't matter. But you know, if you watch what happens if I try to hold it in the center, I mean, it's just all over the place. You can't do it. You gotta really have something here that's holding it in the center, and I apologize for not having these things ready. The production ones have that room for air, so you can put it in that little cup right there, and away you go. Sneak preview on a housing we made today. Production number 1. Thanks, guys.